Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at NFTVerse. Now this is a cloud-based web application that lets you create and sell unlimited NFTs and Bitcoin on the blockchain within a minute. Now you don't need to have any coding skills or trading skills because there's a training inside of the members area. Now with this application guys, you'll be able to create unlimited NFTs. You can mine Bitcoin. You can, this is 100% cloud-based. You don't need to install it on your computer. Commercial license included guys. And yeah, before I'm going to show you the demo of this guys, how this works, how it can help you to to make money, buying and selling or creating and selling NFTs. Let me show you first my bonuses. That way you can get great result and additional value when you guys purchase NFTverse through the link down in the description of this video, which is the first link. My bonus number one guys is going to show you how to generate 10,000 NFT art using this NFT generator software, secret generator software. I'm gonna give you access to that in this bonus number one right here. My bonus number two guys is I'm gonna show you guys how to make $50 to $200 selling those NFT art that you created inside of your NFT verse application. And I'm gonna show you that how to make $50 to $200 selling this kind of NFT, simple NFT art in a secret marketplace on a black market. Right, I'm gonna show you a secret marketplace to sell those NFTs. All right, that's my bonus number two. My bonus number three guys is I'm gonna show you how to create a professional NFT art collection using only Canva. Right now, because inside of NFTverse you're gonna have this like basic image editing or NFT image creator right here. You can have this. I'm gonna show you guys how to create like a professional NFT art collection with Canva. Actually, I have. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how to create this ninja NFT art collection right here, and I'm gonna show you that in my bonus number three. My bonus number four guys is I'm gonna show you a marketplace where you can sell your NFT without gas fees, because one of the biggest problem when it comes to selling an NFTs in a marketplace is that you need to pay per gas fees, right? Now with this marketplace right here guys, I'm gonna show you how to sell your NFTs with almost no gas fees, right? That's my bonus number four. My bonus number five guys is all vendor bonuses. Alright guys, so here are the bonuses from the vendor right here. You're gonna get access to all these guys completely for free. You can post the video if you wanted to read the information of the bonuses. But basically you're gonna get access to all of these bonuses right here. Right. Alright guys, so those are all of my bonuses. When you would like to pick up NFTverse through the link down in the description of this video, which is the first link. And if you guys click that link, this will take you to sales page that looks something like this. Now again guys, you can create unlimited NFTs in just a couple of minutes right here. You can create unlimited NFTs guys, and don't worry with your investment guys, because this comes with 30 days money back guarantee. Let me show you that money back guarantee right here. 30 days money back guarantee guys, and if you don't like the product you can just refund your money and you still be able to get access to all of my bonuses completely free of charge after your purchase of NFTverse. Right now, let me play this video right here guys, that way you can have an informed decision. Now this is the exact software that you'll be getting. Now you can play this inside of the sales page, but I'm gonna play this video right here, that way you can have an informed decision if this is something that can really help you guys.
Doodles like this are selling for more than $100,000. And as you can see, there's nothing complicated about them. They go from a very basic template and with very small modifications. Anyone could do this sketch here, and this collector is selling it for over $42,000. Only these 6 simple stickmen. And there are hundreds of thousands of more examples I could show you, but let's see how you can make something like this with Profit NFT. So first we're going to head into our NFT creator right here, where we're going to make good use of all of these doodles and different images we have to create our very own collection. As you can see, you have a bunch of options you can go for But I'm going to go ahead with doodles and just going to modify them a bit so I can have a base template and then just modify it into thousands of different designs. So let's just go with this doodle right here. I can enlarge it a bit. And then by using something as simple as clouds, for example, I can make it unique. So I can sell it in different forms. So we're just going to add a bit of blur effect here. And then if I want to, I can also add some stars. I can just make it as unique as possible. Obviously, I can also add a bunch of other doodles, but I'd rather keep them for other NFTs. We can also draw right over it if we want to. I'm not going to do that right now. Add a bunch of filters to make it even more unique, or add our very own NFTs from our computer. Once we're done and we're happy with how it looks, we just click on save, download it to our computer, and then go over to our NFT minter. Once we have uploaded our brand new NFT, we just head over to mint token and then simply paste the links we've received. After picking everything, we just have to connect our wallet by clicking connect wallet right here. It will show us connected, and then all we have to do is click mint NFT. And here we're going to be able to mint the NFT. So we're going to select everything that MetaMask needs from us. And once we're ready, we're just going to click on confirm. And we're going to be sent to this page right here, which shows our transaction, our NFT on the blockchain. So we have the contract right here already generated for us. And we can use this to start earning from it, to start earning Ethereum from it using this smart contract right here and following our training. So take advantage of Profit NFT today, and I can't wait to see you inside.